Fresh pictures coming in. BJD Lok Sabha MP Ramchandra Hansda and two former MLAs have been arrested by the CBI today for their alleged involvement in the chit fund scam in Odisha. These are the fresh pictures coming in after these arrests were made. More embarrassment really coming in for the BJD. One of its most senior leaders in the state was arrested earlier as well. So this is the second BJD MP that has been arrested, and we're also looking at two MLAs, former MLAs rather, who have been nabbed by the CBI. Now, investigations in this case, of course, have been continuing, and several politicians, MLAs associated with the BJD have been questioned by the CBI with regards to their connection with the Artha Tattva group. We are, of course, getting you more information on this from our correspondents. Prema Sridevi is breaking this information. Prema, more embarrassment really coming in.
Well, exactly.
नहीं संपृक्त तो आम तो डायरेक्टर थिलु रेजिग्नेशन देलु जेतरा धरा जो से संस्थाटा ठीक भाव में चललानी से धरा जो लोकंगठु टंका ठके ठीक भाव में से काम कलेनी से तो हम छाड़ देछु से संस्था
एबे कोन कहबे से 38 लाख जबत कथा अपन थरे
Prema, we were just getting in a reaction there from the BJD MP. You're picking up more details on the kind of evidence that the CBI has procured during the investigations which has led to these fresh arrests. Prema?
Well, in fact, we have information that the CBI has arrested these people, and the allegations against them are extremely serious. And the allegations are that they were indulging in criminal conspiracy and cheating and diversion of funds. And the Nabadhiganta Capital Service, it's a Ponzi firm which has been accused of duping investors. And if you remember, earlier the CBI had arrested the CMD of the Ponzi company and the directors, two directors also in connection with a case registered against the firm. And the Nabadhiganta Capital Services is one of the 44 companies which is under the scanner of the CBI for its alleged involvement in the multi-crore chit fund scam in Odisha. Now, the CBI sources telling us that they have proof of connivance in this entire case, and they have said that they have evidence of criminal conspiracy and cheating and diversion of funds, and that is why this arrest has taken place of the BJD MP from the Lok Sabha, Ramachandra Hansda, and Hitesh Kumar Bhagarati, who is an ex-MLA, and Subarna Nayak, who again is an ex-MLA. But if you see, earlier BJD MP Ramachandra Hansda had informed the CBI that the money which was recovered from his residence in Mayurbhanj district was his personal property, and that it had nothing to do with Nabadhiganta Capital Service. And he had said that he was not involved in this scam, but of course there are CBI not taking whatever he has said at face value, and this arrest has now taken place.
Prema, now we of course understand that several politicians connected with the ruling BJD in Odisha were questioned by the CBI. Now we're looking at three fresh arrests. All of these people are connected with the BJD, and of course we know that the one major arrest earlier made also was of an MLA that belonged to the same party. So clearly this is turning out to be extremely embarrassing for the party.
Well, exactly. This is turning out to be a major embarrassment for the party. In fact, today's arrest, if you see Ramachandra Hansda, he is again a BJD MP from the Lok Sabha, and Subarna Nayak, he is an ex-MLA from BJD, and Hitesh Kumar Bhagarati, he is an ex-MLA from BJP.